Hey guys, it's Cameraman65WX along with
SPC State College 2017
and Northwest Kansas DXer / Isaiah Schindler.
And today we have a unboxing video for you guys today. This is a Midland WR-100. Should be a version 1, so this is pretty exciting. Let's get right in. I hate this packaging, honestly.
That's hard to open, though.
It is that hard to open, Isaiah. Alright, let me set the phone down. Alright, and open it a little bit more. And here it is. Here's the, let's take off this lid just so I can get to the bag. Alright. Here it is. Very nice.
Nice.
There is a little bit of dirt on the side, but it's nothing that a wipe down won't bought it used, so nothing a little whippity-doo wipe it down won't do.
Is the version that you got have a statement light?
Yes, green statement light.
Yeah.
Should be special weather statement for Great Falls. Okay, that's pretty good. We might be able to get some alerts on this thing. Let's put just gets an alert while unboxing.
Yeah.
All right, let's.
You'll be Rutherford then.
Put the batteries in.
Expecting unexpectable.
All right, let's do a lamp test, everyone. Version 1.
Nice.
Nice.
Yep, version 1. All right, let's put the battery cover back on. Well, that battery does not want to stay in. Let's clamp that in.
The only bad thing about the version 1s is you can't do an alert test.
Yeah, that was one thing I was worried about, but I was like, you know what? I don't really care. You know what I forgot to do, everyone? We forgot to push every button to welcome it into service.
I hate whenever I forget to do that.
Oh no. Don't even.
Did it.
The tuner one.
All right, let's do a quick setup. Let's go. Menu. Time. Time is 4:19.
4:19.
Or 6:19 Eastern time.
Yeah, but guess what? I'm not in your time zone. Alert type. Let's put that on voice.
Obviously.
Same set. Any channel. Oh, it's already on my channel. Nice. Let's pop out the antenna.
Good things are happening.
Great things are happening, people. Let's go out.
Locations impacted include power and portage.
There we go.
These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio.
There we go. And that was an unboxing of a version 1 Midland WR-100. Thanks guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and all that good stuff.